shaky. Pit, very small. If I use the wide angle, it looks a little bigger. Oh yeah. Patriotism. Oh yeah, boy. Tell us where we're at.
We're about to hit the end of the pit.
The end of the pits. Drift pits.
Yeah, the drift pits. So we gotta turn around.
I need a lav mic for my iPhone.
Freaking chilly out here.
It's pretty cold. Look at this camber, bro. That's what I be putting on my cars in my drift game, CarX Drift. This one's got a big ass tire in the front. Can the drift people explain this to me? I don't really understand it. I want to pet that dog. Pro taper. Right, bro. What you know about that life? Got that little shaky studs sticker on it because I literally dropped my R7 into it unloading today. It took a freaking chunk out of the paint. Very sad. We out here, boy. Got a little bit of practice time before later we're gonna have the 2 shows. There might even be a third, but I think I'll be gone before the third. Let's see here. This is slick. Definitely, I think probably too slick for any stoppies or whatever. Oh, looks like Johnny's warming his up. Yeah, I might have to do the same. Tommy Pickles. Crank this joint up to like 32. Man, I have not been in a space this tight. I think everybody's kind of spinning. Yeah, everybody's having a problem spinning. So I'll wait for Joe to kind of do his stuff because he's going kind of wide. Oh. Shout out Texas Super Bikes for freaking tuning my bike, because if this thing wasn't going to kick a fan on at 180, it'd be getting hot today. Oh, golly. I'm a noob now. Give me a little audience and I freaking suck. I feel like my handbrake is not hitting though. Shit. Yeah, I probably need to bleed my handbrake, maybe even see about different pads, because my shit do not be hitting, bruh. Golly. Hey, I'll tell you what though,
Shout out freaking Outlaw Stunt Parts. I mean, I paid for the triple tree or whatever, so it's not like it's sponsored, but I go down crooked so much more often in these circle wheelies, and the problem I was having with my SS Moto triple tree of the tire getting crooked, not been a problem on this. The only time I've had that problem is when I started actually like steering the stoppies, like fully trying to turn into a parking space and stuff. It was getting a little crooked, but so far with the circle wheelies really hadn't been a problem, so very happy with that. I slipped on a bump. Is he saying for me to get out? I don't know. Confusion. Are we already out of time? Well, I don't know. I guess it was good enough for me to get ready. I thought we had an hour of practice though. Definitely wasn't an hour. But yeah, first little stunt show experience. Pretty cute. Pretty cute.
Everyone's like, it looks like it just hooks right here, but it doesn't. It goes through here. I can't explain that to anybody.
Yeah, if I had put the helmet on after I got in, I probably would have done it. I just can't even like see it barely.
Everybody's problem. That's why I'm like, here, let me do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were just tandeming. He broke his axle right there. We're in 4th gear.
Dang.
And he broke his axle. And I was like right on his shit. I mean, I almost hit his bumper.
Dang. Damn, man, this stuff is sick. I want to get into this.
You can do it for pretty cheap. Before I did did Wisefab and I started really putting angle into it, tire wear wasn't bad. Now I'm running tires that are fucking race tires, you know, they're expensive.
Yeah.
They last me a lot longer than just regular tires, so it works out. But a lot of it's gonna be, you get like a cheap, just like lowers kit for like a 370 or 350, you can stay out of the angle prices. They're pretty cheap cars.
That's sick. Are y'all not supposed to drift through this part?
No, because of that guy right there. Lose control anywhere near him.
Oh, okay.
Since we're doing like 100 miles an hour at entry, these guys are only doing like maybe 30, 40.
Yeah.
So if we spin out, you know, there's a lot more chance we can't save it, you know?
Yeah. That was awesome. Thank you for letting me ride. Oh. No more stunt show for us. Get this guy to back with the scooter, man. Damn.
Let her run it. Let her run it. She's good.
She's gonna run it.
Yeah, she's good.
Came in a little bit too much motivation. It happens, guys.
Oh man, it happens to the best. Yeah. Happens.
go. Come here, Red.
Should I start drifting instead of stunning? Is that the move, guys? Yeah. What's up?
I was the one who shot your bike at Texas Motor Speedway.
Oh, really? Hell yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah. This seatbelt's way easier. Okay guys, I think that wraps up my video for today. If I end up going to some more events like this and you want to see another vlog, let me know in the comment. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.